In this tutorial, we will be learning about inheritance in Python. Inheritance can be defined as the process where one class acquires the properties of another. The class which inherits the properties of others is known as a subclass or child class, and the class whose properties are inherited is known as the superclass or parent class. For this tutorial, we will be using Visual Code Editor. We will be printing strings from a method derived in the base class. Let's define our parent class as car. Now, define the initializer method for our objects car company and car model. Now, let's define a method printName which will print car company and car model. Create another class by name details and define it as a child class by adding our parent class car inside the brackets. Now, add your data to the object and call the method. Output generated will print statement of our data as a car company and car model. Inheritance is a concept of object-oriented programming and is very useful to optimize and organize your code structure. Learn more about Python at BasicCodist.in.